Hey friends, if touchpad gestures are not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So before anything else, check for your touchpad settings, and it's not very difficult. Search for touchpad in the Windows search bar and click on touchpad settings. Now expand this, make sure that the touchpad icon is on, and then as for the touchpad gestures, you have 3 finger gestures, you have 4 finger gestures. Make sure that the right options are selected for them. The next solution is to check for Windows Update. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So the command is msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and paste this command line here and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.